I need a wee.
僕に陥らせず、悪からお救いください。アーメン。
Hello everyone, it's me, Tremaine, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I doubt you have. Today I'm going to show you how I made this lovely hanging jewellery holder. If you're following along, please don't hesitate to pause, rewind and start again if you get stuck. Don't forget to click the like button, because I'd like it if you liked it. Comment and subscribe because it's free. Oh, there's a notification button too, which lets you know when I post videos, because I will be posting weekly. Big step, big step, big step. If you are just watching it, grab your cuppa, grab that bit of chocolate you had from Christmas, and let's go! Okay, so I started off with half a metre of hessian that I bought from the fabric shop. Doesn't have to be this material, but it needs to be thick enough to hold your jewellery. I cut mine so it's 17 inches long and 11 inches wide. I neatened up the raw edges on a sewing machine, but you can use fabric glue or glue gun if you're not familiar with a sewing machine, or you don't have a sewing machine. After you've done that, position your trim where you want it to go. I'm putting mine in the centre. I had some left over, so I'll put it at the top of the fabric. I cut some little loops out of hessian and put them under the trim in the centre, so that necklaces have a means to hang. I think there's some loops in the pom-poms as well. I can use them to hang as well, which is what I didn't realise till way later on. Every loop was sewn one by one. I glued the top bit, considering that it wasn't going to take as much weight as the centre. I thought gluing it would probably be best. So I've added a piece of dowel to the top of the fabric so it's able to hang up. Got this from a flower ornament that came with some of my mum's flowers that she got for Christmas one year. And so we fold down the fabric and glue it in place. Then you can tie some string on the ends to hang it up. I made some tassels and some pom-poms, and I used a glue gun to stick them to the hem of the fabric. I drew some flowers and paisley patterns on some of the corners just because I'm just extra like that. And I thought it looked kind of fancy, so. And there you have it, one DIY jewellery organiser. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe and all that jazz. But come back next week because there's gonna be another one. Ooh, next Friday. Don't know what time, but it'll be there. See you guys. Bye.